Okay, el presente progresivo. ¿Qué estás haciendo ahora mismo? Ahora mismo significa right now. What are you doing right now? Okay? So we have el pasado and el futuro, and then we have hoy. So el presente progresivo describe una acción que está en el proceso en el momento en el que estamos hablando. So the moment that we're talking. El presente, ahora mismo means like right now. What are you doing? Like I am talking. El presente progresivo significa ing. For AR verbs, ando. For ER and IR, we're going to spell it yendo. Yendo. Repitan, ando, yendo. See? Muy bien. So you put a star in front of all these. And make sure you always put a star in front of it. Estar, if you'll remember how to conjugate that, estoy, estás, está, estamos, están. ¿Cómo lo formamos? Estoy, we put all of these verbos in front of AR verbs, ando, IR, IR, yendo. ¿Sí? Excelente, es fácil. Hablar becomes hablando. This is a participio, a participle. Comer becomes comiendo, porque es un ER verb. ¿Sí? AR, ando, ER, yendo. Vivir, what do you think? Viviendo. Estudiar, ¿qué piensas? Estudiando, correcto. Pensar, pensando. So this is to think, and this is thinking. Jugar, to play. Jugando, playing. Encender, encendiendo. Okay, so he's walking. So, ¿cómo se dice he's walking? If it's he, we're going to go right here. Él está caminando. Caminar is walk. To walk, está caminando. She's working. Think about it. Está trabajando. Okay, muy bien. You should be trying those a little bit. Unas oraciones usando el presente progresivo. Right now, Juan, Andres, Alicia, Pedro, and I are doing something. So, Juan está viajando en tren a México. Juan is traveling by train to Mexico. Andres y Alicia están comiendo un burrito. Pedro y yo estamos jugando a las cartas. Okay. Completen las frases. What if you wanted to ask someone, hey, what are you doing? How would you do it for two, your friends? ¿Qué estás haciendo? Hey, where are you going, Luis? Or what are you eating? Where are you eating, Luis? Sorry. ¿Dónde está comiendo Luis? Where is Luis eating? Okay. They are living in Madrid. How would you do that? Ellas están viviendo en Madrid. Okay. Tenemos yo and practicar. I am practicing sports now. Yo estoy practicando deportes ahora. We are writing letters. Nosotros estamos escribiendo cartas. Are y'all studying? ¿Vosotros estáis estudiando? Who is playing? ¿Quién está jugando? Okay? These are irregular verbs. Of course, we always have a few that are going to be conjugated differently. You guys are used to that. Pedir, which means to order, is changing, the E changes to I. It's a stem changing verb. These are verbs that you're already used to dealing with. So, I am ordering, estoy pidiendo burritos de pizza. No, not Pizza Plus, from somewhere fun. Decir, saying, I am saying, estoy diciendo, durmiendo, sirviendo. So stem changing verbs, you leave the stem change in. And leer is not a stem changer, it just has the Y added. Leyendo, and that's spelled wrong, that should be an I right there, sorry. Trayendo, actually no, that's right. Because the Y makes it so you get rid of the I. All right, ahora les toca a ustedes. So now it's your turn. So if we were together in class, I would put you in groups. We'd play a little game. Estamos viviendo. How about they are dancing? Están bailando. He is playing. Estás jugando, or that could be tú. If you are playing, estás jugando. I am talking. Yo estoy hablando. Usted, you formal, are eating. Usted está comiendo. Vosotros, they are shopping. Estáis comprando, or buying things. Comprando. Okay, great. So, hope you get that. Present progressive, sort of easy, sort of fun.